Hello everyone. So this is Jitesh Bansal, the developer of Interview AI and also known as XMN. Now talking about the site, so it's basically a site for the candidates who are going to apply for the interview or applying for their interviews. Basically, this site is going to help them in acing their interviews by improving their communication skills as you need to speak out in front of AI within a single span of time. Like there is no pause that is required. You can take a small pause to just have a breath, and then you just need to speak out as much as you can so that you can get the marks according to the questions that is being asked. And another thing that it covers is the Ask Any, which is going to help you in getting the best possible answers that a interviewer wants to hear from you. So I will demonstrate you that part. And now, first of all, talking about the code, so you guys can access the code through my GitHub, which is jbxmn/interview AI. Now, talking about the site, so you guys can access the site interviewaI.azureWebsites.net, and here you can, if you want to contact, you can contact me by clicking on the contact button, and it's going to give you all my contact details that how you can contact me. And the about is basically the small information that the site can do. It's going to basically give you the report and all part after the interview, and home is basically going to load out the page again. Now, talking about the site, so it contains basically two options. One is for start interview, and the second one is for the ask for best answers. So, talking about the start interview, it's going to basically help you all in having your interview. So, I will demonstrate this part first, then I will go to the ask for best answers.
Alright, let's get started. Tell me, what is your name and what position are you applying for today?
Hello, sir. Myself Jitesh Bansal from Jaipur, Rajasthan, and talking about my background. So, I'm basically a game developer and a Python developer, and I do develop games in Python, games and the programs like web scraping and all. And also, I do use Flask for my backend in the my web projects. And talking about the position that I've been applying for today is the game development part because you need a game developer, and I am a game developer. Also, I have an experience of like 2 years in the ZX Gaming Company or the Byte Simplified, and in that I was able to get to know a lot of things like the games, like how we can make a particular multiplayer game, and also many type of games, basically like the shooting games or the Mario type games.
Thank you for coming in today, Jitesh. It's great to hear about your background in game development. Tell me, what specific game engines are you most familiar with?
I am familiar with the two parts, which is two basic game engines, which is the Unity and Unreal, and I do basically develop games on Unity itself because it seems like to be a beginner friendly, and also I got to know a lot of things as my intern was all about the Unity. So I did learn a lot about Unity, so basically I just have it to be my first engine. So now I am just going to basically forward.
That's good to know.
So this is the report that I got, and this shows me like where is my weak point, what is my rating for the particular answer, and what are my plus points, and how I can speak the answer so that the interviewer can get to know about me and get to know that what I am speaking and all. So I got a result of satisfactory, which is quite satisfactory, of course, but I need to improve myself. Now I will show you another part. So second part of the website is basically for the ask for best answers, in which you can ask any question to the interview AI, and it's going to basically answer you with the best possible answer that you can give to the interviewer and get his appreciation. So now I will show you like how we can just ask a question and what it is going to give us. So I will just write out a question and you can see that what answer it gave, and what are its breakdown and all.